Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. So today's question is cube root 4 is rational or irrational. So tell me your answer in the comment section. So actually it is an irrational number, but the question is how to prove this. So in this video I am going to explain you the proof of this cube root 4 is an irrational number. So let us start. So this proof is by contradiction. So let us assume that this number cube root 4 is rational. Remember that we want to prove this as irrational number. So this number is rational means we can write this number cube root 4 as p by q, right, where p and q are integers such that q is not 0, right, and GCD of p and q is equal to 1, right. We can always write any rational number in this form, right. Now let us cube on both the sides of this equation. So we get 4 is equal to p cube by q cube. So this gives us 4 times q cube is equal to p cube, right. And now we can write this 4 times q cube as 2 times 2 into q raised to 3, right. And that means what? This is same as 2 times something, right. So this number is divisible by 2, or 2 divides this number 2 times 2 q cube, right. That is same as 4 times q cube, right. But we know that this 4 times q cube is same as p cube, right. That means what? 2 divides p cube, right. So we have 2 divides p cube, and now 2 is a prime, right. So 2 divides p by the properties of prime numbers. So here we have 2 divides p. So let us call this as equation 1. Now look at this. So 2 divides p, that means what? You can write p as 2 times some integer k, right, for some integer k. That means k belongs to z. Now put this value of p in the equation. So in this equation, so we get 4 times q cube is same as 2 times k its cube, that is equal to 8 times k cube, right. And so this gives us q cube is equal to 2 times k cube, right. And now again here we have 2 times k cube, right, 2 times some number. That means what? In fact this k belongs to z, and therefore k cube is in z, right. That means 2 times some integer. So 2 divides 2 times k cube, right, and which is same as q cube, right. That means what? This 2 divides q cube, and remember 2 is a prime number, and therefore by the properties of prime this gives us 2 divides q, right. Call this as 2. So from 1 and 2 we have 2 divides p and 2 divides q, right. That means what? This GCD of p and q is greater or equal to, right, 2 is a common factor of p and q both, so GCD will be greater or equal to, and therefore this is a contradiction to the fact that GCD of p and q is equal to 1, right. And therefore our assumption that this cube root 4 is rational is wrong, and therefore we have this cube root 4 is an irrational number, hence the proof. So here we have used the important property of prime number, that is if p is a prime and p divides ab, then p divides a or p divides b. This is the property of prime number that I have used in this theorem. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching this video.